what exactly is microcirculation and why is it so beneficial?
So microcirculation helps to stimulate blood flow. Not only that, but it also helps to work and lift your muscles. It releases toxins and kills the bad cells in your skin. It's great for skin health, and it also helps to boost elasticity and boost your natural glow.
I recently turned 30, so it's become more and more important for me to take care of myself and continue to give my skin the care that it needs. And I realized that all the stuff that used to work for me pretty well in the past just tend to not cut it anymore, and I really need products that are super effective. So what I've been using, this Bella Aura skincare line that Lynn introduced to me, and it's really changed things for me because I actually started using them right before I went to Italy for a couple of weeks. And as you might know, southern Italy during summertime is extremely hot, very humid, and I was covered in sweat. And not only did I not break out once during that whole time, I also felt like my skin was really protected and revitalized from using this. So even now I keep everything in the fridge, and I put everything in order and in the lymphatic massage method, and it makes me feel so detoxed and revved up, and the next morning I wake up and I have this beautiful glow. So Lynn is going to show us how to do that correctly.
You pump out 6 doses of the product onto your skin, and right now we're using the Daily Repair Moisturizer. So with the 6 pumps, you want to think about that you're contouring your face. So think about how you apply your contour, your highlighter, and your bronzer. So first you want to swipe some product onto your jawline to create that V shape that everyone loves and wants. So you put it on your jawline.
So right here.
And then under your cheekbones to give that beautiful lift.
Okay.
And then on your cheekbones. On your nose. And then you want to create a V-shaped heart on your forehead. And if you're concerned about laugh lines, you want to swipe some on your laugh lines as well.
So my laugh lines are my Achilles tendon. Alright, so what to do next?
So you want to use your middle finger and your index finger to massage your face gently but firmly. So start on your jawline and really lift that skin, work those muscles. So work your muscles and then go behind your ear and pull downward and then out your shoulders. So that gives you a lymphatic drain. It's called lymphatic drainage. So that helps release toxins and kill the bad cells in your skin.
So that just felt amazing right there, just doing that. And I just feel like everything was going out.
Yeah,
so
it feels great. Then you want to, so keep moving upward. So you're doing this against gravity. So pull under your cheekbones and then on your cheekbones and really pull it out. Pull out and then hold. So hold, yeah. So right now you're kind of removing, these lines. So really pull out from your laugh lines and hold for a couple seconds.
So I am actually holding more than I have been doing on my own, but it feels amazing.
Yeah. And then on your nose, you want to also pull out. And then on your forehead, if you have wrinkles on your forehead, you want to use your middle or index finger, just one finger on each hand, and do a zigzag. So that helps to push the product in better, help it absorb better and deeper into the skin, and therefore helping to remove these wrinkles. And then some here. And then afterwards, you want to give yourself a massage. So you want to use the same 2 fingers and pull upwards, almost like when you get a facial. The facialist does this because it helps to stimulate blood flow and also boosts elasticity. So you want to pull up against gravity. Bella Aura also has an eye cream in the line called Instant Lifting Eye Contour, and with the eye cream you want to swipe under your eyes and then use the same 2 fingers and gently dab lightly tap under your eye. That helps to really increase blood flow, and then help with puffiness and dark circles as well as crow's feet.
Okay, well, amazing. My skin just feels really great right now, and I can't wait to continue to do this until I have a beautiful V-shaped face. Well, thank you so much for coming here and showing us Lynn, and thanks so much for joining us. Bye!
Bye!